This is Mr. Muniandi, a resident taxpayer in Malaysia. He works as a freelance software consultant and operates his business as a sole proprietor. Therefore, he submitted Form B for the year of assessment 2024. In his tax return, he claimed a total deduction of 40,000 ringgit for business travelling and entertainment expenses. He believed that these expenses were deductible because they were incurred for his business activities. Later, the Inland Revenue Board of Malaysia, IRBM, conducted a tax audit to verify Encik Muniandi's expense claims. During the audit, he was requested to provide supporting documents, including invoices, business receipts, and travel logbooks. Unfortunately, Encik Muniandi's 40,000 ringgit expense claim was rejected by IRBM. IRBM disallowed the R40,000 claim because Mr. Muniandi failed to provide valid supporting documents. As a result, the deduction was not allowed and additional assessment was raised. On 15th December 2025, IRBM issued a Notice of Additional Assessment, commonly known as Form JA, informing Encik Muniandi that additional tax had been assessed following the tax audit. I completely disagree. The officer was being too strict with it. Mr. Muniandi planned on disputing the Notice of Additional Assessment. Under Section 99 of the Income Tax Act 1967, Mr. Muniandi has the right to appeal against the Notice of Additional Assessment. How can Mr. Muniandi dispute? IRBM issues Form JA to Mr. Muniandi on 15 December 2025. Mr. Muniandi must submit Form Q, Notice of Appeal against an assessment, to file an appeal. The appeal must be submitted within 30 days from the date Form JA is served by 14 January. Form Q must be submitted to the Director General of Inland Revenue, DGIR, for review. Appeal process. Step 1. Submit Form Q. Step 2. DGIR reviews the appeal. Step 3. Decision will be communicated to Mr. Muniandi. Late appeal due to hospitalization. Mr. Muniandi was hospitalized and was unable to submit Form Q within the prescribed 30-day appeal period. Application for extension of time. Under Section 100 of the Income Tax Act 1967, Mr. Muniandi may apply for an extension of time by submitting Form N. The application must explain the reason for the late appeal and be supported by relevant evidence, such as a medical certificate or hospital documents. Upon inspection, the officers finds out a consultation fee in a foreign bank account hidden by Mr. Muniandi. Statement showed that the fee was transferred multiple times to the same foreign bank, yet was not included in the form. The officer confronted Mr. Muniandi regarding the issue. Mr. Muniandi thought that IRBM would never find out about it. Therefore, the officer stated that they would take legal actions against Mr. Muniandi for purposely evading tax. So what is actually Mr. Muniandi's fault? His fault was for hiding the consultation fee from IRBM. His action of deliberately hiding the RM30,000 consultation fee is a serious tax offence under Malaysian taxation law. Since he is a resident individual in Malaysia, his business income shall be declared in the Form B, even if the money were to be received from a foreign bank account. In this case, the main issue is not that the income was omitted, but it was hidden intentionally to evade tax. So, what are the legal implications against Mr. Muniandi? Under Section 113, subsection 1A of the Income Tax Act 1967, a taxpayer commits an offence if he makes an incorrect tax return by omitting or understating income. Since it was mentioned that Mr. Muniandi deliberately hid the income from IRBM and believed that they wouldn't find out, this will be treated as willful tax evasion under Section 114, subsection 1. This is a lot serious than a normal incorrect return, because it involves dishonest intention. Mr. Muniandi can be charged with a fine of 1,000 ringgit up to 20,000 ringgit, imprisonment for up to 3 years or both, and a special penalty of triple of the tax which is undercharged.